Welcome to Aqua Management. Come on in so we can tell you more about our services. Aqua Management was created out of necessity. We live in the desert. We walk outside here, we know it's dry, it doesn't rain, and if you go to Lake Mead, which is our source for water in this valley, you'll see that Lake Mead is going dry. You'll see the bathtub ring around there, and it's shocking.
We're in a huge drought. 70% of the water that we draw out of Lake Mead is being used outdoors.
And of that 70%, 35% of that water is wasted due to poor equipment, poor system design, or just overwatering.
So Aqua Management wanted to add some intelligence to that. And we created the tools and we brought in the engineers to develop this product.
What we provide is a smart irrigation controller with service. An irrigation controller is a watering clock. It's what turns your water on and off to water your lawn, to water your shrubs and your flowers outside. We just happen to have a high-tech one, which waters based on 26 different atmospheric conditions rather than just watering Wednesday at 10 a.m. We always like to say we don't think Wednesday is a good reason to water because if it's raining or if it's cloudy, you may not need as much water that day. So our technology will water the exact amount of water that the plants need to be healthy, not too much, not too little. And at the end of the day, that's going to equal a 20 to 30% savings off of your traditional irrigation controller.
This is actually programmable through internet. It talks to weather stations, and those weather stations pull a list of data and manipulate the data to figure out exactly how much water the plants need.
We've got live weather stations strategically placed valley-wide so we can get the right weather data to download to our controllers.
One of the parks that we're going to see today is one of our newer parks. This is a park that is very green, very lush. We've installed our product to make sure that it stays that way.
We're heading right around the corner here. We've got a couple of the controllers set up over here. We actually have 3 controllers here. We have another 3 controllers that are on this side also. So those 6 controllers encompass this entire turf area that you see here. The shrubs, the turf, everything here in this park, we handle all of that for the maintenance. For landscapers here on the property, he can actually pull out his cell phone and he can start doing checks throughout this entire property. Here in Vegas, when it gets up to 100-something degrees every day, now they can actually just sit in their vehicle, go through their property, do the check via the cell phone, or in some cases, we've got some landscapers using iPads.
So far, the technology has been only available to people who can afford it. Hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's kind of elitist thing. So the idea for us was to develop the product at the right price. And we have a lot of advocates that they say, you know what, I started saving the first month and your services was cheaper than my savings.
We are at the Element in Summerlin, which is part of Las Vegas. We're using Aqua Management, actually electronic system for monitoring our in-house and our watering systems at the hotel. Oh, it's definitely the way to go. I mean, for the cost versus the benefit, to be able to go online and change your watering schedules or to be able to monitor and look at it, it's really the only way to do it. And it's relatively inexpensive when you look at the cost of a month's worth of water or a month's worth of a leak. And a lot of leaks aren't apparent in the desert because of evaporation. So you don't know until you've received the bill maybe a month or 45 days later.
There's a local community in town. We replaced 15 irrigation controllers, and our first year servicing this property, we helped them save 25 million gallons of water, which equaled a $66,000 savings on their water bill. After our monthly cost, they ended the year with a $52,000 net savings without having to make an investment, without waiting for a return on that investment. So they conserved water, they saved money from day one, and we're very proud of that.
The product is affordable. More importantly, it's the right thing to do. We save the lake. We save our water. It's for the next generation.
What we offer for everyone is a free site analysis. We come out, we'll look at your property, see what you're doing there right now for irrigation. We'll look at your water bills so we can get an idea of what cost and water savings opportunities exist. If there are savings available for you, we'll recommend our service. If you're already doing a great job in conserving water, we'll applaud you and hopefully wish you luck in the future. We want to help people make the right decision to help save water. It's going to help the whole community in the long run, so we all have a place for our grandchildren to be.
We are a local Las Vegas company. We know the needs of this community.
Thanks for visiting us here at Aqua Management. Give us a call so we can schedule your free site analysis.